So do this question. If you want, I'll just fill the slope only here. Temperature versus what resistance? This is my delta R, this is my delta T. This is slope value, tan theta. What is tan theta? Opposite side by base. Already in the last, I think the first question, I think so already I told you, alpha is inversely proportional to what? 1 by T2 minus T1 or 1 by change in temperature. So what is my slope? M. M is equal to what? Delta R by T2 minus T1. Now instead of this 1 by T2 minus T1, what I'll write? Delta R into alpha. Alpha is temperature coefficient. So they are asking, what is my alpha? It is what? Option D, M by R naught. How many of you are not clear with this? This alpha is nothing but M by R naught. How many of you are clear with this? Yeah. So if you're not clear, when I come down, I'll help you out with it. Okay. Next question. Potential difference between A and B in the following circuit is what? Here also same trick. Between A and B. This is the question. So obviously the current also is flowing through this. So what is it? 4V plus 8I. 4 volt, okay, already I got from here. 8I. What is my I is equal to V by R? I is equal to V by R. What is my voltage? One is 6 volt and other is what? 4 volt. So 6 minus 4. What would my resistance? Resistance always you have to add 2 plus 8. Add whatever resistance are 2 and 8. So 2 by 10. I got 0.2. So 4 plus 8 into 0.2. So answer is 4 plus 1.6. 5.6 volt is the answer. Okay. So guys, first thing is between A and B. So voltage across this 4 volt and voltage across the resistor is V is equal to IR 8I. So 4 plus 8I. I have to find current. Total current is what? I is equal to V by R. It is in series. So I is current is constant. So I is equal to V voltage. But V is what? One is plus minus, other is what? Minus plus. So 6 minus 4, that is 2 by adding the two resistance. 10 point. That's a simple thing only this is. Okay, so now I'll come down and I'll help you with all the doubts now.